Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking Delights, and today is another episode of our sweet treat series. I'm going to be making a traditional Yorkshire pudding, rice pudding. So the ingredients are 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Doesn't look a lot, but 75 grams of short grain rice. One reason why we use short grain rice is because it absorbs the milk. It wouldn't work with long grain. 1.5 pints of milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, and nutmeg. So really this is quite a filling, cheap pudding. So all we need to do, and it's quite simple, is we're going to put in our sugar into our casserole dish. We're also going to put in our rice, and then we're going to add our milk, and then we're going to give that a stir. Just to incorporate the rice and it's all stuck to the bottom. And then all we need to do then is get our butter and dot it, and that will rise to the surface on the top, and that is going to create our skin. It's a bit of like a Marmite thing, I think. You either love the skin or hate it. I don't personally like the skin, but my other half loves it. So we're just going to add these cubes to the top. And then last thing we need to do is our nutmeg. Can you see that? And then we're going to add that in, and we're just going to sprinkle. We don't need a lot, just a nice sprinkle. And there we have it. And that's generally basically what it is. I'm just going to give you a close-up view of my rice pudding. Oh, while I'm up here as well, I just want to show you this. This is what I've got for my dinner today. Oh, hold on a minute, let's get this steam away. This is a turkey legs that I'm eating. Although I eat a lot of fat in the carnivore diets, and turkey's not that fattening, the legs are. So what I'll do is I'll put my turkey legs in a bit of water, and I've got some taco seasoning and some garlic, and that's all it is. And then what I've done is I'll cook that on in my slow cooker for at least 3, 4, maybe even 5 hours, so it shreds. So then you've got pulled turkey, and then I'll drink the broth. So it's very nice. So this is going to now go into a 140-degree oven, and it's going to be cooked low and slow. So it's going to take around about 2 hours for this to cook. What you'll need to do is, after half an hour, take it out of the oven, give it a stir, and then put it back in, and then leave it for it so it can form the crust on the top. So I'll be back with you in half an hour. Okay, 30 minutes has gone. I'm just going to take out our rice pudding, pop it on here. What you're going to do is give it a stir. Just to separate all the grains of rice. And popping back in the oven, it's going to take another hour and a half. Okay guys, this has now come out of the oven. Can you just see this? It's absolutely amazing. It did take about 2 hours to do. I'm just going to place a bit up. And there you have it. Homemade rice pudding. What would you have on your rice pudding? I suppose you could have anything like jam, Nutella, anything really. Just comment down below what would you like in your rice pudding, or if there's any other recipes you'd like me to do, let me know in the comments below, or you can comment on our Facebook page. Until next time, stay safe guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.